What does it actually take to build a utility-scale BESS system? A high-performance BESS is not built by one machine. It's built through a complete ecosystem of precision equipment. Everything starts with cell sorting and grading. Cells are matched based on voltage and internal resistance to ensure pack consistency. Next comes laser welding and module assembly, where precision directly impacts safety, conductivity, and life cycle. Every battery pack then passes through leak testing and end-of-line validation systems. Battery packs are then integrated into racks, along with BMS, wiring harnesses, and protection systems. At the container stage, automated pack loading systems safely install high-voltage battery packs into the BESS container. Then comes integration of PCS, liquid cooling, HVAC, EMS, and fire protection systems. Before dispatch, the complete container undergoes capacity testing, insulation testing, IP testing, and system validation. And behind all of this is MES, the digital backbone connecting every machine, process, and testing record. At Semco Infratech, we provide complete turnkey solutions for BESS Pack, rack, and container assembly. Let's connect.